Already, I have shown how to install an open source and official version of Visual Studio Code on Raspberry Pi. Recently, Visual Studio Code has officially distributed via the Raspberry Pi OS Advanced Package Tool repository. In this video, I wanna show you how to install the Visual Studio Code using Raspberry Pi terminal. Let's open a terminal and type sudo apt update to update the Raspberry Pi package database. Then type sudo apt install code to install Visual Studio Code. This will take a few minutes. Alright, now we can run the VS Code by typing code and hit enter. Also, we could launch VS Code via the programming menu. As the last point, you can also update VS Code via terminal by using sudo apt update and then sudo apt upgrade code. Because we have the latest version of the VS Code, nothing happens. This is Mohammad Saheb Honar. Please feel free to share your feedback and thanks for watching.